Bad AI content can kill your six-figure deal opportunities. I've seen it happen to clients several times, and it is frustrating. Now, whether it's because of hallucinations and incorrect info, or just too many M-dashes, technical buyers are quick to dismiss and run away from content that looks and smells like AI wrote it. But my white papers and case studies generate and close six-figure deals, and I use AI to help write them. So I thought I would share my process of how I use AI as a partner and not as an outsourced brain. So here are my 9 tips for writing AI content that wins deals and doesn't destroy them. Number 1, start with technical expertise. So don't write any content if you don't have at least an intermediate understanding of the topic. And if you don't have that, then just level yourself up. Watch some YouTube videos, self-educate, whatever you need to do. Because if the AI appears to understand the topic you're writing about, that doesn't mean you can trust what it gives you. And you are the author. You're the first line in defense in making sure that what goes out is good. Number 2, always include human expertise. The content that wins sales actually includes like quotes and insights from real experts, preferably ones that work at your company. So make humanity a requirement of your content. Number 3, the more context, the better. Transcribe every relevant webinar, every Zoom call recording, every training video that you can find. Download all the PDFs, convert the website to PDF, whatever you need to do. Then feed all of that info into an AI as a set of inputs to provide it context. Give it a brain dump before you start working together. Number 4, build a serious outline. My outlines are often thousands of words. Sometimes they're even longer than the final draft. The outline is much more than what the white paper is going to say. It actually describes what the white paper will do for you and for your reader. Number 5, have a plan. If you want high-end content that closes six-figure deals, you must have a plan for the content. It can't just be an asset that sits on your website that you forget about. You got to know who's going to read it, you got to know when you're going to use it, and you got to know what it's going to accomplish. So a plan is super important. Number 6, incrementally write a draft. No matter how good your outline is, there will be gaps or new things that you notice when you start turning all those bullet points into sentences and paragraphs. So I work with AI to write my drafts just one small section at a time, because AI sucks at writing entire drafts from outlines, but it is much better at working in small chunks. So just give it, one of your H2s to work with and start from there. Number 7, go deeper at all times. After you have a draft, look for opportunities to go deeper, or ask the AI to read your paper and find those opportunities for you. Some of these AIs have different modes like think and deep search. So use those modes and have the AI find supporting or opposing documentation and quotes for the points and themes that are in your content. Expert content always looks broadly beyond itself. Number 8, edit, and then edit it again. The best content is vetted by many different people. As the author, you are the first line of defense, as I mentioned earlier, against incorrectness and sucky AI. The subject matter experts are the next people in line. They should help you vet your paper. So do not let your content go out there without their review. And finally, tip number 9, pit one AI against another. When I finish writing a document, I'll dump it into another AI, usually Grok, and I'll tell it to provide every counter argument possible based on everything it can find on the web about the subject. Grok is really good at this, and I always get tons of helpful feedback. And then I take that feedback and I address the important points by updating the draft. Okay, so as you can see, our AI content writing process is rigorous and it takes hours, but this is how you win big deals. AI helps me to scale what I do instead of just doing all of the work for me. That puts me, the actual writer and sometimes the expert, in control of the document that I get at the end. But if I let AI take the lead, there's a much, much greater chance of it undermining the trust that I've built with my prospects. So use these 9 tips to protect your deals and don't let bad AI content ruin your P&L.